Greetings, tech aficionados! We're excited to have you join us on Mega Technology, a channel dedicated to exploring the depths of heavy machinery, modern inventions, and emerging technologies. The Brachy P22B seeder is suitable for seeding on both flat and sloping areas. It is a fully mechanized seeder that can perform all stages of planting, working on previously unimplanted areas to establish a new forest. This model is a reliable machine that allows you to work in both implementation and reforestation plots. Optionally, the Brachy P22B head can be fitted with irrigation and fertilizer systems. Irrigation is carried out with water or a water-based gel applied to the soil around the seeding during planting. Fertilizer can be applied in different ways, depending on the option selected. The P22 model uses a rotator and double linkage to position the seeders in the correct seeding position and to ensure that both seeders are in contact with the ground. The double linkage allows the seeders to follow the ground contour without the need for operator input. The BMS is SEPI's powerful mulcher for attachment to excavators from 20 to 30 tons. Thanks to its clever design, high performance, and reliability, the unit is capable of shredding bushes and trees up to 12 inches in diameter. Many consider the BMS to be the best excavator mulcher in its class. The body and hood design allows the branch or tree to be cut first and then shredded in one step with the hood closed. The mulcher's applications range from the shredding of logging debris in forests to the shredding of trees and stumps along roads, pipelines, riverbanks, and canals. The Manitowoc 18000 is capable of lifting loads of up to 750 tons, thanks to the Maxer counterweight, which demonstrates an optimal balance of reliability and mobility and is characterized by a high lifting capacity and rather compact dimensions for a machine of its class. A wide range of maneuvering and stationary jibs, sections, and boom heads allows this machine to solve many tasks in modern construction. The world's largest all-terrain AT120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. The powerful and stable RT125 heavy-duty trencher from popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT125, there's no stopping you. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. The truck-mounted concrete pump from Zoom Lion is a 160-foot long truck-mounted pump with high-volume concrete pumping capacity. The maximum pumping capacity is 180 meters cubed per hour, which means a highly efficient design that is mounted on a 4-axle truck with enhanced off-road capability and maneuverability. The hydraulic system is fully automated, and high precision at the production stage guarantees stability and reliability of the overall system. And the one-sided opening of the side outriggers allows safe operation in difficult and narrow areas. The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains, DPRT, have a high payload capacity, which significantly reduces the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, you get higher productivity at lower costs. The additional payload achieved with DPRT is simply a game changer in terms of operational productivity and cost efficiency. Italian manufacturer Baron has delivered its first AB23SL bridge inspection rig to Hong Kong for use on the Lantau Link bridges. You can see now a whole series of bridges 2.17 miles long connecting Hong Kong International Airport to the city. The AB23SL machine is capable of maneuvering the suspended spans of the bridge. In addition, the machinery is mounted on a 4-axle Volvo FM420 8x4 truck chassis. The upper structure contains a bucket-type truck tower, which can work both under the bridge and overhead. The platform is capable of hauling loads up to 551 pounds. It has a horizontal reach under the bridge of 12 feet and an overhead reach of 87 feet. Discover Hamar's self-loading trailers, 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. This company's side loaders, also known as skid steer loaders, are self-loading trailers or trucks used primarily for loading and unloading shipping containers. With a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds, it can easily move a fully loaded container in record time. With Hamar, you can save time and money by offering your customers a new, flexible, and improved service. Lift, move, and transport with one vehicle and operator anywhere, anytime. The Hamar self-loading cable drum trailer, also known as the Hamar drum loader, is a specialized side loader for lifting and transporting large cable drums or reels, power cable wound on large steel drums. This technique is an incredibly versatile and cost-effective solution that eliminates the emerging need for other lifting equipment, as well as other specialized trailers. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5-pound, 33.8-ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess, no water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Redroo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. You see the Green Cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, The vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are two blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. What do you see on your screens now? The transport crawler units of the model TC50 and TC100, which are the basis of the System Meister. In combination with a detachable crane and telescopic crane units, this innovative equipment can safely and efficiently transport loads under the most difficult operating conditions. This applies to both difficult terrain and challenging weather conditions. Two powerful off-road track transporters can easily transport loads of up to 50 tons from point A to point B. Such equipment can be used multifunctionally in different operating modes. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. You see the Jumbo Master mowing and suction combination from Vondale, suitable for slow transport with a capacity of 25 meters cubed to 30 meters cubed or 35 meters cubed. A 216-inch reach mowing arm is mounted in the front. This lever has a double hydraulic safety feature. Jumbo is a self-draining swing-bottom machine. The tailgate is hydraulically operated. The tech is fully equipped with flashers, variable halogen lights, gradient lights, and a camera in the rear of the vehicle. The joystick control is operated directly from the cab. The Jumbo Master also has a very powerful fan to suck up the cut material. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. The machine will become your main work assistant and will help you to achieve high results from shift to shift. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it operator-friendly and business-friendly. Its main application is in construction material quarries, where efficiency and reduced environmental impact are essential. By providing the right power at every stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These new features make the machine versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. Multi-mobile from Probst is simply ideal for economical and precise paving of slabs. The technique is suitable for concrete slabs, natural stones, slabs with exposed aggregates, large pavers, and ecological pavers. The machine allows effortless paving, as the lifting and lowering is carried out by a vacuum hose hoist. Another advantage is the precise positioning of the slabs through a smooth-moving, slewing crane with a very low load capacity. By the way, slabs that have already been laid can easily be lifted again. Multi-mobile can easily lay up to 300 square meters of tiles per day. The RTX 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. And here is the Svyodovid excavator with a telescopic boom on a man chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis, which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering in harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that man is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, man chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production, and transportation structures due to their reliability and versatility. Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. It is in the public interest to have a safe network of roads and paths. Nowadays, however, the environment and unspoiled nature are increasingly coming to the fore. Only the right machines, the optimum method, and a measured use of resources can ensure safety here. The best machine for such specific purposes is the LKW bagger. It is suitable for all types of work, such as ditching and roadside control, highway and median strip clearing, working in narrow areas. From now on, shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road can be milled in one operation. Fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems are no longer an obstacle. Overall, this provides an even more efficient and faster way of working. When you need it, you can extend your reach with the KJ, the new hydraulic equipment from Eiffel, which is designed to increase the flexibility of the flagship crane. With 2 additional extensions, the KJ combines the crane's lifting capacity with greater articulation height. In its maximum configuration, this 2255 model reaches a height of 2,165 inches for outstanding performance. And it is truly impressive. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. After heavy snowfalls, airports remain literally paralyzed for some time until the runways are cleared of snow. The Norwegian Overåsen TV1000, and the world's largest auger snowplow, was created for this very purpose. This technique allows coping with the tasks of clearing the territory as quickly as possible, throwing 12,000 tons of snow per hour at a distance of 35 to 50 yards beyond the runways. You are looking at a one-of-a-kind machine that will be an indispensable addition to any fleet. The Extreme Soil King 2020 spreader is safe, versatile, and durable. This machine is unrivaled in the field of stone spreading, so all work with it will be much safer and more efficient than with any other machine on the market. The machine has a 30 cubic yard capacity when hauling lighter materials. With its unique body design and multifunctional material beam, one operator can accurately handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff which according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. The CT Model 718 compost header sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. Tiger Stone is a 236-inch wide paving machine that can be used to perfectly repair a street or road in one go. Tiger Stone also provides edge finishing immediately. In the end, the stones are immediately and tightly fixed between the curbs. The street or road can be finished in one go, and there will be no debris on the road. With the Tiger Stone machine, builders can pave at least 200 square meters of road per day, compared to one conventional paver that can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. Camrock's EK 140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. Goldhofer is a global manufacturer of heavy and specialized vehicles. Its wide range of products is adapted to the requirements and infrastructure of various regional markets and guarantees complete flexibility for even the most unusual transportation operations. As you can see from the video, the Goldhofer specialists have indeed created a heavy combination with hydrostatic drive for transporting an oversized and extra heavy load of 580 tons. It looked very impressive. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prunoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. The amphibious dredger from CleanTech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer and can slide down steep slopes on its own. The Vermeer horizontal grinder you're seeing on your screens right now is built for land clearing and pipeline work and features a powerful track-mounted engine and compact design. With 950 horsepower or 708 kilowatts in the 92,000-pound class and a feed design designed specifically to feed larger materials such as whole trees and large stumps, the new chipper is built to handle hard materials with less operator intervention. SmartRock T25R is a smart installation for smarter operators. You work alone, remaining discreet and building the infrastructure to keep things running smoothly in the community. You are the first to arrive at the site and the last to go home. Epiroc knows exactly what that feels like. That's why they designed the SmartRock T25R to perform at its best. The machine can be used on the toughest surfaces or hard-to-reach construction sites. The Roxgon H4 hydraulic refinisher was developed in Western Australia specifically to increase crop and pasture productivity and to work well with the remediation of difficult soils. The technique has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required, but only one pass can be efficient when used as a deep loosener over rough terrain. Farmers can typically work about 10 hectares a day with the Refinator H4, which can work faster than many other deep loosening machines. The machine is ideal for working on heavy terrain with numerous stumps and stones. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage, a method in which work is carried out without the need to dig a trench, is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer of this equipment has specialized in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972 and is definitely the best in the field. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow that does little or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth that can be achieved with this method is 70 inches. The Husky Emotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. We see a continuous drum-type harvester from Komatsu with a double-picking head system that is ideal for industrial mining of large quantities of minerals. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this model has everything you need to maximize productivity in heavy-duty applications. The machine features a heavy-duty track chain and drive system for efficient operation. The combine's traction system includes the patented OptiDrive electronic AC system, which combines with a compact four-wheel drive transmission to provide smooth and reliable operation. Bobcat Sand Cleaner, on the loader of the same name, is an attachment that helps the operator quickly and easily clear the working surface of debris and small objects. Its installation is carried out with the patented system, BobTac, which provides a safe and secure attachment of the device on the base machine. Thanks to this technique, the operator quickly and efficiently sifts sand and cleans it from various small debris, bottle caps, glass shards, woods, as well as cans, stones, plastic bags, syringes, algae, and other debris. The working width of the attachment is 1900 millimeters. The depth is up to 200 millimeters, and the bucket capacity is 350 liters. The cleaning area is up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. High productivity is complemented by the possibility of unloading from a height by lifting levers on the loader, which allows easy dumping of garbage into a dump truck. HIAB reinvents hook lifting efficiency and safety with innovative and industry-leading digital technology. HiVision. Have you heard anything about it yet? The combination of the external cameras and sensors with in-cab surveillance and control technology provides uncompromising safety and productivity on any job. Obstacle detection software is an added safety feature that minimizes the risk of injury to people or damage to equipment. Every field is unique, which is why Geringoff has paid special attention to high flexibility in the design and manufacture of their harvesting equipment. Their maize cob picker has been refined to the limit, all for maximum efficiency in maize fields. The MaizeStar technology used in the production is where two oppositely rotating harvesting rollers with 4 cutting blades gently pull the corn plants downwards. The cob itself is separated by the harvesting knives, while the stalk remains untouched in the field and serves as erosion protection. This drum mulcher gets its name because of its cylindrical shape, resembling a drum. Skid steer drum mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini loaders and shreds small trees and clears them with a rotating forward motion. The patented spiral tine pattern, modeled after a vacuum brush, provides efficient material flow to the center of the drum. The 2-speed variable displacement piston motor is protected by a low-profile frame for maximum performance and visibility. The Diamond Mower's drum mulcher has 3 choices of powerful mulching tines to meet the requirements of any, even the most challenging project. The Houtkiller 1270 grubbing shears have been designed specifically for removing and processing biomass from large stumps with roots. This technique also copes perfectly with small and medium-sized stumps and other root material. The technology can be easily and simply mounted on any standard base machine. Thanks to the pre-shredding of stumps, the volume of material to be transported is reduced. Another possible application for this equipment is the subsequent shredding of stumps in recycling plants. You can count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. You see the legendary twin ram 580 CL series baler with a rather oversized chamber and L-shaped body design. It can easily accommodate vehicles the size of a full-size van. The comfortable climate-controlled cab features CNC's exclusive monitoring system, allowing operators to instantly monitor hydraulic pressure and throttle speed, as well as graphically display the progress of the baling cycle. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. As for the second one, it is the LH621 model. Such a productive machine with a lifting capacity of 21 tons, which combines the capabilities of an underground loader and a dump truck. By the way, it is the undisputed leader in terms of safety and productivity. The process of moving the ore mass can be further optimized by using the TH663 underground dump truck and loading it with 3 buckets per cycle. EnviroBinder is a unique erosion control product that works well in long-term applications and provides immediate surface protection results. It penetrates and binds to soil particles to form a strong interlocking structure. Once the polymer dries, a strong weather-resistant surface is formed, binding the surface and preventing erosion. Incidentally, the effective life of erosion control is usually 6 months, but in some cases the product works for 18 to 24 months at a time. Process logs easily, quickly, and efficiently with the new Avant mini loader and the attachable log splitter. The Versatalk log splitter attachment cuts logs into manageable chunks for firewood for cold winter nights. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. A 4-way splitting wedge is standard equipment to split the product into 2 or 4 pieces. A 6-way wedge is available as an option. Wedge height adjustment is done manually as standard, with hydraulic height adjustment available as an option. Now we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. The TG7000 Hopper Shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power, designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. The Genesis GXT Mobile Shear is the industry's next-generation shear, designed for more efficient scrap processing, and is suitable for smaller carriers, reducing the initial purchase investment and hourly energy costs. The GXT model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight. It is a scrap and demolition shear with its center of gravity closer to the excavator, allowing the model to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller and less powerful shears. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. You see the Flat Cat equipment trailer, a new trailer for various equipment. Belmont Trailers believes this model allows trailer owners to move more easily, quickly, and safely load and transport equipment that can be a problem today. This includes equipment that has poor or no traction, low ground clearance, and equipment that has difficulty climbing ramps or elevated decks. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport all types of equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. Additionally, the Flat Cat is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles such as classic and vintage cars. DFM Feller Buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. CBI's Magnum Force 5800 is a mid-size lifting unit designed for contractors working with smaller production needs or transportation limitations. The design and dimensions of the offset spiral rotor, stop, and screen remain the same as the Model 6800 to maintain a high level of grinding performance. However, the rotor width of the Model 5800 is reduced to produce a machine with an overall width of less than 8 feet 6 inches, 2.55 meters, and a weight of 64,850 pounds. The entire machine system is controlled by CBI IntelliGrind logic, which includes a variable feed rate that automatically adjusts to motor load, and an optional modem communication system that provides real-time system diagnostics. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, Fry's byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. Guided by the Pruner Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Light Wolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Light Wolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with 2 different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wall Joint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. The Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850 liters drum equipped with modern 4 sensors electronic scales, easy to handle and high precision system for the production of the required mix. All this is about the new CarMix 3500 TC. This machine is equipped with a new comfortable cabin, which can guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the composition of the mix, slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of the mix itself. The Bacchus A55 self-propelled aerator is used for processing a wide variety of materials like sugarcane waste and palm oil in almost all climatic regions. The technique is used for excavation work or for industrial mixing of substrates. The ergonomic frame design of the A55 ensures that the rotating material only comes into contact with the rotor during operation. The design of the Bacchus aerators provides easy access to all components. This in turn speeds up maintenance and cleaning of the machine. The operator's cabin is equipped with an air-suspended seat, armrests on both sides, large screens, and controls. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. This was an awesome project to not only shoot, but to watch from a distance. This machine is simply amazing. We can safely say that we see the largest single pass trencher in the world. The MT4500 has 4,500 horsepower and over 1,500,000 nanometers of torque. No other trenching machine has this much power and can dig trenches up to 160 feet. DeWind is actually building another MT4500 right now, and it is expected to be completed in late 2023. It's clear from the video that a trench 70 feet deep was dug and a special mixture was added to the soil to create a strong wall below the surface. The Liebherr Heavy Rotary Drilling Rig LB44 has a very compact design that allows for low-cost transportation and quick site preparation. The rig is equipped with a powerful diesel unit with low fuel consumption and reduced emissions. This machine, together with a hydraulic system and easy-to-maintain drilling drive, is designed for continuous operation. In addition, it offers a high speed of drilling cycles, which is also a definite plus. In July 2020, Camp C unveiled Europe's first locally printed 2-story house. What makes this house so unique? It is that it is printed using a stationary 3D printer on concrete. The house is 8 meters tall, 90 square meters in area, and printed on a Cobod model BOD 2 3D printer. In addition to the fibers in the concrete, the amount of wire mesh reinforcement used is minimal. The printing technology used made formwork unnecessary, saving about 60% in material, time, and budget. Adding up all the days, it took only 3 weeks to print the house in Camp C. I think it's clear to everyone that chopping firewood is not just chopping and chopping. With the right machine, sharp cutting tools, and daily optimal technique settings, it is still possible to produce wood chips. But how do you make it better than all the others? With the Force Profi machine, of course. It is with this machine that the perfect wood chips are produced for a wide variety of uses, like wood gasification, fuel, fall protection, playpen coverings, pavings, etc. The wood chips produced by Force Profi are also good because they have excellent characteristics and are easy to cut, not break and shatter. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. Olmec has launched the Bibby Series 1090 BL Evo, a mobile crawler scissor elevator. It is battery operated and comes with a 180 AH48 lead power pack. The technique is capable of working on any type of terrain, and the new self-leveling system allows it to remain stable even in the presence of slopes. In this series, any stabilizers are absent. The operator can move the machine, staying in the basket without closing the scissors and the arrow. Thanks to its compact dimensions and tracked undercarriage, it is possible to work in any conditions, even on rough terrain or enclosed areas inside buildings. Diamond Mower's ProX Disc Mulcher is the best solution for mulching small diameter trees and shrubs. The disc design acts like a flywheel to store energy. This stored energy combined with hydraulic power allows you to mulch any trees or shrubs in your path. The shape of the disc and the position of the tines allow for efficient mowing and mulching. While this attachment is precise and ideal for clearing land, it is still not recommended for use in urban areas. Due to the power of this machine, material can be moved long distances, making it less suitable for use in populated areas and near buildings. The Cat AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. The LTM 1650 heavy-duty crane, version 8.1, has been designed for maximum performance, and the result is impressive. It can easily lift 700 tons or even more. Its rated lifting capacity is therefore 700 tons. The machine moves easily with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with a 54-meter telescopic boom and front supports. However, to minimize installation time, the rear supports are installed as a complete support box in a single elevator and connected using quick couplers. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch with a pulling force of 8.5 tons is easy to use thanks to the unwinding device and the auto stop and smart 3-in-1 functions. Operation is via remote control. The folding window grille makes transportation easy. The recognizable winch design with sturdy construction and compact backstrap protects against wear and tear and makes operation easier. The 85H model, on the other hand, does not have an unwinding device. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, two new Arox trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the two impressive Arox with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. The Optimus H99 is the most efficient paving machine in the world and is the 10th developed by the manufacturer and inventor of this equipment. With an even more powerful hydraulic pump combined with engine speed limiting, the machine runs even quieter and faster, yet very economically. Under optimum conditions, this paver achieves a capacity of more than 1,000 square meters of paving slabs per shift. Definitely an impressive performance. When developing the sweeper MS-130, special attention was paid to maximum ergonomics and high cleaning performance, combined with maximum economy. Such performance is not only due to the efficient engine, but also to the patented eco-efficiency mode, in which the engine shaft speed, hydraulic performance, and sweeping system are optimally combined. You see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718 E-Series models operate with high reliability at Senebogen in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 718E is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. You see a modern harvester for harvesting walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, and apples, X16. Despite the small size of this model, it combines all the advantages of harvesting equipment at an affordable price. Equipped with the largest generation engine, the X16 is highly productive in harvesting. Thanks to the multiple cleaning stages performed during the process, the fruit enters the hopper already clean. The 2022 Malone Farm Machinery Show was held, and the winner was the legendary Malone Express. Have you heard about it yet? If not, I'll tell you. It's a specialized machine with a tractor that can accommodate about 16 round bales. And that's more than other machines of this type can afford. The Malone Express also has a slightly shorter chassis than the others. FMG's Tractor Trailed Grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Now, let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Interdrain in action. This is a mighty machine indeed, and it can easily handle such a task as laying a 15-inch Clark Farm drainage flexible agricultural slab. As you can see from the footage, nothing is impossible for the technological giant. The machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is a huge advantage in this kind of work. Let's discuss the CH Series grader attachment, and it should be noted, it's the perfect solution for gravel road maintenance. The grader cuts and fills potholes, eliminates material from entering the machine itself, and leaves material directly outside, maneuvering easily in tight places and corners. This machine spreads and finishes soft and loose materials with ease, typically completing the job in just 1 or 2 passes. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. Do you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land? No problem, with the Farmer's Zerat laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure